Hey, this is a video on how to remove a dashboard on a 2016 BMW X3. So we kind of had to figure out a way to take it off, so I'll just give you an idea how to do it. So you take off all the center console pieces, the navigation, the air vents, and there's going to be, I think there are T30 Torx in these areas. Actually, it's T27 Torx. And you have to take off the glove box. And there's going to be one right there. Okay. Two up there holding the airbag. Okay. Then another one right there. And you have to take off the A-pillars. There's going to be a screw in here. Right there. And then you have to take off the cluster. That's behind the air vent. There's going to be one right there. And then you have to take off the cluster. One's right here. One's right there. Then there's going to be a couple on the bottom. One right here. Second one's going to be right here. Then take off the A-pillar. There's one right here. Yeah, and on this one, it comes with the display monitor thing. I'm not sure if you have to take off the cover, but we did. The way we did this was after you remove the cluster, you just stick your hand right here in the back and just kind of pop it off and then just pull it out and slide it out. I don't know if it's going to help you remove it, but we had it off. And then all you have to do now is try to lift it, grab it at an angle, or grab it somewhere, and just kind of start pulling on it. And we noticed it just pops off one side at a time, unless you have two people pulling it. And once you pull it off, make sure you get the wire harness off, and it's held on by these right here. It just sits in there, somehow it clips on pretty good. So when you're pulling, it feels like there's still bolts holding it, but there isn't really, because we spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out today, so save you some time. And there goes that display thing.